Appliance brands are scamming you. They want you to think a reliable refrigerator costs over $2,000, pushing you toward cheap, flimsy garbage that will fail in 3 years and spoil hundreds of dollars of food. But I've analyzed the market, and there are 3 bulletproof refrigerators hiding under $900 that the big brands pray you never discover. If you want a rock-solid high-capacity fridge without getting ripped off, don't swipe your card until you see these 3 hidden gold mines. Check the description below for links to the best current deals on all 3 models. Let's go! Number 3. GE GTS 22 KGNRWW Top Freezer Refrigerator. We have a massive appliance that totally changes what you can get for around $800 to $900. Most people walk right past this machine because they assume a simple white design cannot possibly hold enough food for a large family or offer any modern premium features. They think you have to buy a gigantic French door setup just to get decent space inside. But skipping this unit is a huge mistake that will cost you dearly. This beast gives you 21.9 cubic feet of interior space, which is absolutely massive for a standard top freezer setup. To put that into perspective, most fridges in this price range barely crack 18 cubic feet, leaving you frustrated and completely out of room after a big grocery trip. With almost 22 cubic feet, you can load up on holiday turkeys, massive pizza boxes, and all the fresh produce you need without playing a stressful game of stacking every time you open the door. It fits perfectly into a 33-inch wide space, making it an easy upgrade for most standard kitchens. One of the absolute coolest things about this specific model is that it's completely garage-ready. Let me explain what that actually means, because it's a total game changer for anyone needing extra storage in their home. Standard refrigerators are incredibly delicate machines. If you put a normal fridge out in an uninsulated garage, the wild temperature swings will confuse the internal sensors. During a freezing winter, the fridge thinks it's already cold enough and completely shuts off the internal motor, causing all your frozen meats and ice creams to melt and spoil. During a blazing summer, a normal motor will run constantly trying to cool down until it literally burns out and dies. This unit fixes that entire nightmare because it's tested and built to perform perfectly in extreme environments, ranging from a freezing 38 degrees all the way up to a blistering 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It simply refuses to quit. Inside the machine, the features keep getting better and better. It comes with stunning edge-to-edge glass shelves, meaning there are no annoying thick plastic borders taking up your valuable storage space. You can slide large items all the way to the sidewalls without anything tipping over or falling down. The premium inner door gives you special bins that you can actually move around to fit massive juice bottles, tall milk jugs, or big soda bottles, completely freeing up your main shelves for plates of food. It even has incredibly bright lighting inside so you never lose your small leftovers in the dark, along with super clear bottom drawers that let you see exactly what fresh vegetables you have left before they go bad and waste your money. It is pure, unstoppable performance disguised as a basic unit. Before we move on, subscribe to Valid Consumer if you want simple buying guides that skip the hype and focus on what is actually worth your money. Number 2. Frigidaire FFTR 2045VS Top Freezer Refrigerator. When homeowners want to upgrade their kitchen, they usually want a bigger fridge to hold way more food for their growing family. But they quickly realize their kitchen cabinets were built many years ago, and a larger, modern fridge simply won't slide into the hole in the wall. They feel stuck buying a tiny appliance just to fit the old space. This clever machine completely destroys that problem forever. This unit gives you 20 cubic feet of total storage, but it is smartly built to fit perfectly into the exact same 30-inch wide hole that a much smaller 18 cubic foot fridge would use. It is basically magic for your kitchen. You get a massive upgrade in storage space without having to hire an expensive builder to rip out your nice cabinets or cut your countertops. You just slide it right in, plug it straight into the wall, and instantly enjoy all that room for your weekly groceries. Now, let's talk about how this machine actually treats your food, because the cooling technology inside is seriously impressive. Have you ever put a carton of expensive eggs or a fresh bag of lettuce in the back of your fridge, only to pull it out 2 days later and find it completely frozen solid? That happens all the time because cheap fridges blast freezing air directly from one single vent, creating terrible hot and cold spots inside the box. This model totally fixes that by using an advanced even temp cooling system. It constantly pushes cool air throughout the entire machine, balancing the air so the temperature stays exactly the same on the top shelf, the bottom shelf, and the door racks. Your food stays perfectly fresh no matter where you decide to place it. On top of the smart cooling, you get premium humidity-controlled crisper drawers featuring a super smooth roller support system. Instead of those cheap plastic drawers that squeak and get stuck every time you try to open them, these high-quality drawers glide out beautifully. You can adjust the moisture levels to keep your apples crunchy and your spinach leafy for weeks, which saves you a ton of money on wasted groceries. Just like our first option, this beauty is also entirely garage-ready, easily handling wild temperature changes from 45 degrees up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit without breaking a sweat. Plus, the stunning stainless steel exterior makes your kitchen look like it belongs in a fancy design magazine, all for a price that usually sits beautifully around $700 to $800. Number 1. Whirlpool WRTX 5419SZ Top Freezer Refrigerator. Most people think that to get a fridge that looks highly modern and actually saves electricity, they need to spend well over $1,000. This model totally proves that old theory wrong, offering a stunning package that will instantly elevate your home while keeping your power bills nice and low. This sleek unit gives you 19.3 cubic feet of perfectly used space, making it an absolute sweet spot for medium-sized families who need plenty of room but don't want a giant metal box taking over their entire kitchen. It also measures 30 inches wide, so it slides easily into standard spaces without any annoying heavy work. But the absolute biggest selling point on the outside of this machine is the fingerprint-resistant stainless finish. If you have ever owned a standard stainless steel appliance, you already know it can turn into a total cleaning nightmare. Every time a kid with sticky hands grabs a snack, or a dog bumps its wet nose against the bottom door, it leaves a huge, nasty smudge. You end up wiping the door down 3 times a day just to keep it looking decent. This special finish naturally pushes away those annoying oils and smudges, allowing you to wipe it perfectly clean with just a single swipe of a dry cloth. It keeps your kitchen looking sparkly clean with absolutely zero extra effort. When you look inside this model, the thoughtful design really starts to shine. It comes with total coverage cooling, making sure cold air perfectly reaches every single corner of the box. It also features highly flexible storage options, including adjustable glass shelves that you can move up or down to easily fit tall birthday cakes or giant pots of homemade soup. The lighting is handled by crisp, bright LED bulbs that use very little power but light up the entire interior, totally eliminating those dark, spooky corners where leftovers usually go to die. Another huge feature that makes this an absolute goldmine is its official Energy Star seal. While a lot of cheap budget fridges will save you money at the store when you first buy them, they end up costing you a total fortune in electricity over the next 5 years because their internal motors are incredibly hungry and waste a ton of power. This specific model is tested and officially proven to use significantly less energy than standard basic models, meaning it is much better for the environment and way better for your monthly utility bills. It is also fully garage-ready, just like the other champions on our list, capable of surviving easily in temperatures dropping to 38 degrees and climbing to 110 degrees without a single issue. Between the amazing energy savings, the fingerprint-resistant coating, and the rock-solid cooling power, it is genuinely hard to believe you can snag this machine for such a low price. So, which one should you buy? If you want the absolute maximum amount of space possible for a big family, the massive 21.9 cubic foot GE model is an unstoppable beast that gives you endless room for all your groceries and holiday meals. If you're working with an older kitchen and need a ton of extra storage without making your cabinet cutouts bigger, the Frigidaire is the ultimate design hack that perfectly maximizes your space while keeping your food incredibly fresh with its advanced air system. And if you want a beautiful, easy-to-clean finish, combined with serious energy savings to lower your electric bill every single month, the Whirlpool is a beautiful investment that will keep your home looking spotless. All 3 of these amazing machines completely prove that you can get absolute premium performance for well under $900 if you just know exactly where to look. Stop letting those big brand commercials trick you into blowing your whole budget. Take a stroll down the budget aisle and grab one of these hidden gold mines instead. Watch the next valid consumer video before you buy another appliance.